So what we've got here is basically a cutaway of this window. You can see that there's a honeycomb design here. This is the sash, which is this part of the window, and this is the frame right here, which is this part of the window that the sash sits in. And you can see that it's very robust. On the actual lift rail, which is here, you can see that this is aluminum, and because that sees the most abuse. And then the glass itself is 7/8 of an inch between the two panes of glass, and then it's double pane glass, and the glass is actually double strength, and it's 3/8 of an inch. And then the spacer in between here is basically it's a super spacer is what Simonton calls this, and what it does is it doesn't allow the heat to come in around the window, the heat transference around the conductive part of the glass. The frame itself, you can see that the glazing is on the inside. I'm sorry, the outside. The glazing is the part where if the window were to need to be replaced, they would remove this glazing piece right here. And a lot of times it's on the inside and it looks really ugly. Simonton does it on the outside, which is nice. Basically, we're looking at a very robust window, and it's warranted for 50 years, one-time transferable. They're able to do that because they're confident that there's not going to be issues with the window.